In this video, I am issuing an open invitation for my fourth and final challenge for the summer. So if you're into gardening, then you're going to want to stay tuned for the details. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. And tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Tapping the bell will just make sure you're notified whenever I upload new content. Okay, let's jump into it. The fourth and final challenge for summer is another gardening one. It is the Container Gardening Challenge, and this one I co-hosted last year with Jessica at Measure and Mix, Lacey at Lacey Space, and Chrissy at Hosted by Chrissy. And we got so much participation, and it was so nice and just so much fun. People got really creative in the kind of container they chose for their container garden. So I am looking forward to seeing what you guys do this year. So now here are the details. Create a container garden, and you can be as creative as you like with the container you use. Mention all of our channels in your video and link them in your description box. And also link the playlist. And title your video Container Garden Challenge Summer 2019. Again, that's Container Garden Challenge Summer 2019, and use the hashtag Container Garden Challenge Summer 2019. The upload date is Friday, July 12th after 7 a.m. Eastern. And as always, there'll be a playlist for you to add your video to. I will post the video that morning. You'll have to come back here to my video to find it, but I'll post the video that morning, and you should be able to upload your video to the playlist without any trouble. But make sure you do include the hashtag in your description box. I hope you are as excited about this Container Gardening Challenge as I am. If you're in, tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.